These are the Soundcore Q20i Bluetooth active noise cancellation headphones. In this video, we're gonna open them up and I'm gonna tell you about their specifications. These are the most affordable over-ear Bluetooth active noise cancellation headphones that Soundcore sells. The headphones have 40mm drivers and they have high-res audio. They come without any carrying case or without any carrying pouch. So they have a 3.5mm jack to 3.5mm to connect them physically in case you want to, USB-A to USB-C cable, some documentation. Their Bluetooth version is Bluetooth 5. They have a battery that lasts up to 40 hours with ANC on and 60 hours with ANC off. And the battery also has a fast charging mechanism. They fold like this and they also fold like this. So they are highly portable and they have active noise cancellation and also a transparency mode. If you want to watch the full review of these headphones, you can look at the link in the description and in the comments.